Hi guys, welcome to another video of this Candlestick series. So in this video we will be seeing what are known as inverted hammer or shooting star. So this video will be the last video of the single candlestick patterns. From the next video onwards we will be moving to the dual candlestick patterns. Yeah, so let's get started. Here guys. So as we saw in a previous video, what we saw a hammer. So when we reverse the hammer, it becomes an inverted hammer, and it is known as a inverted hammer when it is made in a downtrend, and it is known as a shooting star when it is made in an uptrend. So again, as I told you, like the previous video of the hammers, so the color does not matter, even the name does not matter. What you need to understand is the pattern. So this pattern will have a long upper wick and a body at the bottom, followed by no or a very small lower wick. Yeah. So what does this represent? This represents a hammer when it is formed in a downtrend, and a shooting star when it is formed in an uptrend. Yeah. Always remember, it will have a long upper wick, it will have a small body, followed by no or a small lower wick. Yeah. So let's see some few examples. Here, as I told you, once it is formed in a lower, what do you say, in a downtrending market, it will make a inverted hammer. The market will reverse from here, as you can see, and then the market will change its direction and will move upward. Similarly, when it is made in a uptrend, it will be known as a shooting star, and from there the market will reverse. Generally these patterns, that is the shooting star and the inverted hammer, is traded to identify the reversal and trade the reversal, and not for continuation. However, I'll show you both the cases, how we can trade it for reversal, and how while trading the reversals it can also give you a fake signal. Yeah, I hope until here it is clear. So here guys, you can see it was a clear cut uptrend. After the uptrend, once it was formed, it led to a shooting star. Yeah, you can see that there is a long upper wick, a small lower wick, and a small body, and from there the market reversed. So, you should know how to identify these kind of patterns. It's really important, and it will help you generate some extra income through your trading. Yeah, so what you need to understand, that after an uptrend, a shooting star was formed, and it gave us a clear-cut downtrend post that. Yeah, let's see another example. Here, it was a clear-cut downtrend. After a downtrend, a inverted hammer was formed. You can see, the name, the color does not matter. It has a long upper wick, a small body, and a small lower wick. And from here, the market reversed and started going up. Yeah, if you would have entered here, you would have made a great amount of money. Yeah, so always remember, inverted hammer and shooting star are traded in order to identify reversal and make use of this pattern to trade the reversal and catch the change in trend. So now I will show you one failure also. So here you can see the market was in an uptrend and it made a shooting star here. However, the market ideally should have reversed from here, but what happened? The market continued to go up. So if you would have directly jumped into this shooting star without understanding support or resistance, without understanding the sentiment of the market, you would have definitely made loss. So always remember, in trading, as I have told in my previous videos also, you should not take anything in literal sense. You have to understand lot many things before jumping into a trade. But make use of these videos and understand different types of candlestick patterns, and eventually I will be teaching you a lot more things, and I will be teaching you various strategies and system, and you will be eventually also able to generate 20 to 40x 40% returns on your total invested amount. Yeah, so if you feel you like the video, you learned something, do give a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubts, or if you want to add up to something, please drop it down over the comment section. Yeah, thank you for watching.